Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox Dell OptiPlex 7080MT desktop computer. It's very good computer for the office usage, and this will be Core i7 10th generation 8 GB RAM and 500 SSD M2 with 1 TB HDD. DVD drive have Intel HD graphic have and Dell USB keyboard and mouse. Let's see what are the inside. Let's open the case to see inside whether all the components available inside or not. Okay, this is the hard disk and the power supply and the RAM. Let's take the RAM and we'll see what is the capacity of the RAM. Okay, it's 8 GB as we requested. Actually this computer is very good for the office usage, normal office usage, for normal administration works, accountants and all the office staff. We can recommend this computer to be used. The keyboard and mouse. I want to tell you, in this computer does not have HDMI output, only graphic output have. So what I did, I use one graphic to HDMI converter to open my desktop. Okay, now I switch on the desktop. Let's see the performance of the computer. Okay, it's few seconds it takes to open. It's very fast. And let's again restart the computer and we'll see the performance. Okay, it's getting on. It's open. See, when we see the specification, as we requested, i7 10th generation 8 GB RAM and 64-bit Windows I already installed and now I activated already. Then let's see some file installation. When we it's take few seconds to install Office 365 and super internet performance. As you see, the internet speed is also it's getting maximum. So I would like to recommend this Dell OptiPlex 7080 desktop computer for any office work like administration, uh, anybody who want a computer for their offices. This computer is perfect. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel, like my video and share. Thank you.